and welcome to my channel. My name's Kira. Today I will be showing you how I got this look with the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. If you want to know how to achieve this glam neutral look, then keep on watching. Right, so I've done my base makeup. Today we're going to be doing a look using the Glam Palette by Natasha Denona. Here is what she looks like. So I just wanted something really neutral but still glam, I think, rather than something colourful, which is what I usually do. So yeah, so taking my Sigma E40 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Blend, this shade here. But I'm just gonna blend that all in and just above my crease. Same on this side, just blend. Right, next using this brush from Morphe 441 from Morphe. We're gonna dip into the shade Smoke, and we're gonna put that into our crease. Slightly wing that shade out, just slightly. Same on the other eye. And using that first shade, Blend, I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna deepen the eyes up quite a lot, so using this shade Outer Eyelid here, we're gonna do exactly what it says and put it on the outer of our eye. Get that first brush with nothing on and blend it. And same again on the other eye. It doesn't matter too much if it's a bit messy, because I'm going for like a more smoky, messy kind of vibe. So for the center of our eyelid, we are going to go into the shade here. I'm just going to use my finger for that and dab it on the center. Brush, blend it. And get that that brush with the darker outer corner shade. Blend that in. So I am going to deepen it slightly more just on these very outer corners with the colour Lash Line right in the centre of the palette. So right in that corner. Just gonna blend that. Using the shade, where is it? Brow Bone, mixed with this top inner corner shade. Just gonna pop that on my brow bone. And in my inner corner. Next I'm taking this angled brush and I'm going to go into the shade Blend. And run that along my little lash line. Blend that out. Grab this pencil brush from Spectrum and get the shade Lash Line and just run that halfway. Blend that. Same on the other eye. Use the shade Blend. Blend it out. And blend. So that's it for the eyeshadow portion. Next we're going to put a brown liner on and mascara and lashes. Back again. So quickly as well, we're going to put a brown liner. This is the Peaches and Cream liner in the shade Sphinx. So we're going to put this eyeliner on. Right, so I've just lined my waterline with this eyeliner from Peaches and Cream. Next we're going to add a wing. I'm using the Roller Liner by Benefit in shade Brown. Over eye. pop some lashes on and I will be back. So lashes are on. These are unicorn lashes in the style Cherry Top. And I'm back. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial using the Glam palette. I actually have 4 Natasha Denona palettes, so if you wanted to see any others, just let me know. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!